Hey, this is Pierre Viva talking. It has been a long time I didn't visit the new Viva Connection. So the new Viva Connections come with uh, not the landing page, but a launcher to all the Viva applications are available, and your dashboard, and the resources, the feed in one page. So actually, when you the admin, you can edit this page. Can change image here. So for example, if I want to put another image like a cake or something, then it's becoming the cake here. I can reposition this if I want to center of the cake. I can save this, and then there's other options. I think it's here when I edit the dashboard. Can I see, so for example, I see that some active cards are not available working anymore. But I can definitely add cards here and tell those cards to different audiences. I can preview in mobile environment. I can manage the dashboard details and I can say, okay, use editor to check spelling when I type something in a card. And also I can allow users to rename or hide dashboard cards. If they're not satisfied with that, I can I can allow that. So they have flexibility on what they want to see in their landing connection page. So that's new, I think. Um, so I can publish what I change. Let's see if I can edit all the stuff. Like, can edit the resources. Apparently, I can move things around if I want to reorganize. Um, like, let's say I want uh, benefits before here. So it should change, I guess. Can enable audience targeting for navigation. So that means I'm not sure. Maybe not here. I cannot modify the audience targeting, but I think if I open, I'm not sure. Let's see. Can I do something here about the? No, I don't see anything about audience targeting. So I enabled it, but I don't know where I can use the audience targeting for the navigation. Somewhere probably. There should be a page, I guess, in SharePoint with that. So same thing, I can edit. No, I cannot edit the feed. So there's another thing here to navigate during in the feed, I guess. Yeah, a lot of feeds, a lot of news. Okay, so that's, if the users rather have that, you can go there. Also, you can click on the landing page here and you will land on the previous landing page for Viva Connections. And you can change a little thing here. You can switch experience and say, okay, I want to land on the landing page. Like, I think it's in draft. I'm not sure why. Let's switch to that and see what's going on when I do that. So let's see. That's a demo tenant, Microsoft demo tenant. So I'm not sure how it works. Didn't seem to change anything. Switch experience. I switched. View other experience to edit content, manage privacy, and grant access. If I switch, what happens? I don't see any difference. So not sure it works. And there's some, when you click on landing, then you land on the landing page like before, but, not sure how I go back to the previous one. And that's where you see the same dashboard here that we saw earlier. We see the feed somewhere. There a feed somewhere. Yeah, here, company feed. So you have this more content because that's a SharePoint let's say, portal with the dashboard on side. So that's what's new, what I saw, and maybe you can go to the SharePoint to see if we can find more here, but I don't see any changes here. If we edit the page, still the same capabilities where you can add your own web parts. Yeah, and you can also, I think from here you can access the dashboard somewhere. There's a page for the dashboard. Yeah, I want to discard this. And here's the dashboard. Okay, so I'm not sure where this first page, where everything is. I'm not sure what this page is toward, if it's a page. So I might find out that, uh-huh, my SharePoint doesn't react. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe somebody added this link to nothing. Um, so yes, not a lot of changes, but still it can be disturbing. What is if I click here? Oh, that's how I go back. Oof, I found how to go back to this page. So that's what's new. There's a new landing page when you launch connections. So I think you can define if you want to. I was hoping that switch experience will open directly the landing page instead, but apparently it doesn't. Apparently it opens the same page. So there might be a trick to do that if you want to have the same experience than before. I need to investigate that. What's new here is Pulse. So I'll make another video to see what we can do with Pulse. And I think there's some news in Viva Engage too. So let's see in the next video. Hope this one was helpful.